in between cutting it, you want to wipe off the knife. You want it nice and clean. That way, it's not leaving any like you know mess behind, basically. So you want it nice and clean. And then we're gonna start cutting it. Clean this off.